So velocity. Okay, in case of speed, or in case of distance and displacement, we know that suppose object moves from point A to point B, like from here to here. Okay, and the distance, like we know that this is the amount of length from in between A and B. And when an object starts moving from A to B, the length traveled, suppose the length traveled by this object is 5 kilometers. And it took 50 seconds. Suppose 50 second, oh 50 second, or let me write it in. Okay, 0.1 hour. It took 0.1 hour to travel this distance. So two factors are considered: one length, which is in kilometers, and the second thing is time. So we know that when, okay, the length between 2 points is distance, so you can say this is the distance. We are well familiar with this term. So distance is 5 kilometer and time taken is 0.1 hour. Now one more thing which we need to be, which we need to consider is the direction of the object. The object started from A and starts moving towards B, and it is going from A to B. So we have three things to be considered. The one is distance, second is time, and the third is the direction of the object. So we know that distance over time is actually speed. But right now we have some direction as well. We know that when distance will have some direction as well. Here is, oh sorry, distance, and I'm going to mention direction in this way. So this is the distance with some direction, and time has no direction, so it will remain as it is. So distance with direction, it means now speed will have some direction as well. When distance have some direction, then speed will also have some direction. So speed with some direction is called velocity. So how would we define the velocity as? Velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So its symbol would be, this is the symbol of speed, and when you put arrow on it, the speed would become velocity, and we know that speed is distance over time, and when you put arrow on this distance it would become displacement. So the formula for velocity is displacement over time. And its unit is meter per second. And now direction factor is also present, so it's a vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity, but velocity is a vector quantity.